on, dude. That's the oil pickup pipe, yeah?
No oil is getting through that pipe. Have you seen how bad it is? If the filter was blocked up, like that. Yeah, if this was a human being, they'd need a quadruple bypass now, dude. They'd have to have all of the things replaced. Stents the lot.
Mm. At least it's not boring, dude, is it?
It's not boring at all, dude. How the hell was that running without it being...
I know, dude, I know, that's what I'm thinking.
Look, it's not even tightened. I can unscrew the bolts from my hands. We haven't undone these. Only the top was tightened. These are just hanging out. One of them was actually in the engine, which was scary, yeah. Along with most of the gasket as well. Me and Emmanuel decided that we're going to strip it completely and rebuild it.
That sounds better.
Okay, okay.
Okay, good. Good.
As you can see, it's don't even need a screwdriver. Or whatever, a ratchet.
We've got a new assistant in the garage. Mowgli.
This is the fabulous Heather.
Gently, nothing too hard, man. That's it. That's it. That's out. Now that's going to bring out. It might bring a shell. There you go. That's the bearing.
Now that's got to be kept really clean, hasn't it?
Well, we're going to change those. We're going to put new bearings in. That's the ones I was telling you about.
Right. Okay.
So that's half of the bearing. The other half's in the block.
Okay.
All right.
Well, they look pretty good, actually.
Yeah, it's just about the only thing that doesn't look prehistorically bad.
Yeah. That one's done up. There's nothing on that.
So what are you saying, dude?
Look, there's not even, you can use one hand.
They're barely tight.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's the only one that was a tight. These two weren't even done up.
Loose connecting rod bolts as well. Fair enough. That's it. And now you can pull this cap off. Well, you should be able to pull the cap off. Good. Has it got the bearings gone with it? Have a look at the bearing.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah. Okie dokie. Good. You can leave those there now. Do the same with that one if you can.
Ready?
Yep. Put your hand under so you can catch it. Oh, the ring's broken, man. That's a good thing. That's good. That's good. It's a good thing we're... I'll tell you what. Use this, dude.
Need some gentle persuasion.
Use the wooden handle. Bang that thing down. Catch it.
Yep.
The piston rings are broken. Well done, dude.
Like everything else on this fucking
Sweetie, film the piston. On the bench. That's it. Good. Yeah, the piston rings are broken, man.
I don't know where the other... Oh, there we go, that's why.
Nice one.
Okay.
That's a bare block. Marked the pistons and we've marked the connecting rods and we marked the connecting rod caps. So we're going to have to order some piston rings, some bearings, a piston ring compressor and some more rags. Gavin's upset.
I'm not upset, I'm just disappointed.
I know.
Maybe, I know, yeah, a little bit disappointed.
Dude, it will be more rewarding, even more rewarding, when we're driving down the road and we know we rebuilt that engine. Man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Without flames coming out of it or...
I still don't know how it was running as
I don't know
good
how
as
it
it
kept
was.
itself together, man.
It should have fell apart.
It should have freaking annihilated itself.
So maybe that's a blessing.
Yeah.
Otherwise we'd have had to buy a whole new
Yeah,
engine.
imagine trying to show off with that engine in front of a crowd and the freaking conrod bursts out and the engine sort of spills itself on the fucking tarmac.
I'm mentally and physically exhausted.
See, 15 litre ultrasonic parts cleaner. I'm going to use it to do carburettors and stuff like that. It's got a little drain valve there, and came with this little bit here
For small parts.
Oh, is that for small parts, is it? Yeah. Okay. And we're going to fill this up with degreaser and clean some carburettor parts and engine parts. Sweet. Sweet as a nut. Yeah. That's a big mug, dude. Dude, so if we want 15 litres, so it says dissolve 1 part of this to 10 parts of water. So if we put 1 litre, no, 1.5 litres of this,
Yeah, then put one in,
then we can put
15 litres of water.
yeah, and you fill it to that line apparently. You fill it to the line.
Okay.
But do we want it all the way to the top?
Probably not, no.
So we could put 10. So we try 10 litres. So
Yeah.
one of those.
To 9 of the other ones.
Shall we make it a bit heavier, stronger?
No, let's just do what the thing
Yeah.
is.
Okay. See the little bubbles coming out on the side there, it looks like mist. See it from the carburettor.
Wow,
That's all.
coming away.
Yeah.
Put the lid on, dude.
We need to top it up a little bit, but probably just a bit carburettor. Makes a bit of a rattle, doesn't it? See that, man? It's got a bit of stuck out a bit of the dirt.
Yeah,
On the
well, that
wheels.
embedded stuff. How does it look, dude?
It's looking good. It's looking really good.
Look at that.
It's part of the casting.
Breaking hot as well.
Yeah. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, well.
Give that a bit of a blow through to clean it, to dry it, and that's ready to rebuild. So, see if we can drop that like that. Good. Okay,
Yep. 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okey-doke. Wow, looks like gold. Look at that, dude. Does look like gold, doesn't it?
Brand new one.
It's pretty dramatic what we're looking at, isn't it? You show them it, man.
In an ideal world, you wouldn't want that, would you?
No. Neither would you want it to seize like when you rotate it. It's freed up, man.
It is free.
Should we put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, dude?
Let's see what it can do, yeah.
Come on, man.
That's a pretty big test.
Stick it in, man. Stick it in. What was that? Two screws. Okay, we won't need those. We'll need to replace those. Yeah. Yep, that's it, man. Hit it. Hit the on-off switch. Hey Paul,
Yep.
how's it going, man?
Alright, man.
What are you doing?
I'm degreasing the engine, mate. Messy job.
You've got a lot of patience, Paul. That's really good of you, mate.
Thank you, man. Tea and biscuits, that's all I need.
Oh yeah, tea and biscuits, man. That's good. Do you like your cup of tea?
It's awesome, mate, yeah. Is it Earl Grey?
No, you got Yorkshire tea,
Yorkshire
mate. I
tea,
offered
yeah,
you
man.
Earl Grey, but you wanted Yorkshire.
Yorkshire tea is the best, isn't it? Definitely.
So the block seems dirty, but other than that, it's all right. But they
No
are.
cracks or anything.
Well, not that
No
I can
breaks,
see.
there's no cracks. There's no...
The only problem is that the connecting rods are all very rusty externally, and the crankshaft is very rusty. So we're just sort of trying to get a feel if this is going to work or not.
That one, dude.
Oh man, you're doing a fucking good job on those, man.
Looking good, isn't it, man?
Fucking brilliant.
Next.
Fucking hell. Why are you guys even here, man? Hey?
Good question, mate. Because you're a fantastic bloke, and want to help you out, man.
We love each other.
Yeah, man. Brotherly love.
I mean, you guys have come here today. I've been sleeping and you've been working away on the fucking engine, man. Put some
Have you
tea
seen
in.
how good that engine block looks?
Let's get him better.
Unbelievable, man. Give us a rotation on it, Paul, will you?
Yeah.
Can you rotate it just
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I can see on the camera?
I'll have to. Which way do you want it?
Every way, man. All directions. Yeah. That's starting to look. Yeah, man, that is beautiful. Paul, you've done an incredible job on it, man.
It's, well, Gav as well, mate, you know.
How many hours have you spent on it?
I don't know, about 5,
Yeah.
possibly.
Incredible.
Get up here. Ready to go home.
You done?
Yeah.
I know.
God, you've been in a filthy mood today, man. What's wrong with you?
What about this ring here?
What ring? It's not that I don't mind it getting painted, it's just that your brush might get dirty.
Yeah. Okay. First time painting an engine. And the last. Slap it all on.
Slap
like
it
that,
on,
you
Paul.
see. Slap it on. Mind the grease.
I hope you're not slapping it on.
I'm fucking slapping it on, man. I'm being very careful.